How to missing or disappearing photo in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, clear gallery cache. Open setting now. In setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search, gallery app. Now click on gallery app. Scroll down, click on create files. After click on create files, gallery will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check hidden files. Open gallery now. In gallery, click on three dots more option. Click on setting. Scroll down. Click on view hidden albums. Now in hidden album. After check hidden files. Now go back. After that, check recycle bin. Again open gallery. Click on album. Scroll down. Click on recent delete or recycle bin. Now here you will see missing or disappearing photo. Select that you want to restore. After selecting, tap and hold on photo or video and click on restore. After click on restore, missing or disappearing photo will be restored from your phone gallery. This is how you can fix missing or disappearing photo in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.